all of these, but I have no clue what eyeshadow look I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna wing it. Haha.
Hey MERMAYNICORN! You're on Pick Eyes 13 and today's video is going to be a high school makeup tutorial. So without further ado, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below by hitting the red subscribe bar. And then hit that notification bell button right next to it so that we get notified the second I upload. So let's just get started with the look. Taking off the hater blockers. I don't like how I look about my hater blockers. So it's look, part of that chain gang. Yes. Makeup sponge. I'm using the Real Techniques one. I've been having the same makeup sponge for over a year. Don't recommend it, guys. We're gonna wet it up with our little Mario Badescu. Super cheap, super good. Recommend. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh 110 light to medium. It's a little sheer tint. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna go in with the little e.l.f. foundation brush.
And every time we talk, every single word builds up to this moment, and I gotta convince myself I don't want it.
Now, like, I kind of spreaded it out.
Even though I do, you could break my heart in two.
Now we're gonna apply concealer here, here, and right here, due to the redness. You can see in camera, not cute. People ain't trying to see that. This isn't a concealer brush, it'll have to do. I'm just going in with the generic Ulta Beauty concealer in the shade Light Warm Concealer. It's also a super sheer concealer.
In high school, it's best if you do super sheer natural products, because that way, to me, the key in high school is to look for the sheer natural look, the look where people like could be like, what is she wearing? Is she wearing foundation? Is she just wearing concealer? Is she not wearing makeup at all? Because if you go for the full coverage look, like the super bang bang blow, wow, you know, like, man, she's like IG baddie model. Like, if you go for that look, people are gonna know, like, probably like under that face she looks horrible. So that's why I always prefer a natural look, because that way people like are like, man, I think she wears makeup, but like I feel like she doesn't. Does she just wear mascara? I think she only wears mascara and probably like lip gloss, that's it. But in reality, no, girl, you rock more, but like that's the trick. You want to look like, you want to rock that natural look, so that way people are like, I think she has like probably like a little bit of like crease on her eyes, like a little bit of eyeshadow on her crease, like mascara and lip gloss. But in reality, you have more. Because less is more, and less makes people think that it's the true you when it ain't. Well, it kind of is, but you know what I'm trying to say.
But when it heals, it beats for you. I know it's forward, but it's true. I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to.
You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down.
When people say that makeup isn't a job, this little beauty blender, girl, this thing is a whole arm workout. Like over here, like you know, like those shake thingies. Remember those shake weights? That's what this is like. I have really high cheekbones. Get this in your hair. Like, don't matter if you get foundation in your hair, but that's just ugly having the little like foundation. Okay, so this is your forehead, then like no foundation, and then your hair. I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty brown tint in medium. I like brown tints better, and I naturally have thick brows. Like, look at my brows. I think my brows are pretty good, but obviously like they're not like super full. Like, I don't know how to explain myself. Like, if I do a full face of makeup and I don't put on brows, that'll just look weird. But I feel like my brows bare face, they're like perfect. Did I explain myself correctly? I hope I did. Basically, all you have to do is you grab your little brush, you start it off, and then you start combing the product through your hair. And then you adjust your brows, because this is like a gel. You adjust your brows how you want them shaped. Like, I usually like the front up, and then like I start making my way through and like curving them out. And then like I usually bring down these hairs right here to make my wing look fuller. You guys are seeing what I'm saying? Now, also, I understand that the gradient effect is cool and all, and like to make your brows a little bit more presentable, you could fill in like the tail of your brows, which I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be using the Avon. Well, I got this. This is a Central American Avon product, but it's the Avon Color Trend. Literally, it's just the eyebrow pencil. Doesn't even say color or anything. It just says lápiz para ceja and café brown. Just fill it in like this, but like literally just a little bit, so that way you don't have to like go in like fully like with the rest and have to deal with the blending and all that. Like literally just on top, a few strokes. Pew, 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 pew. Super light hand. Just go back to assure everything is in place. You go with your trusty Great Lash in clear. It's brown with the brow product that I use.
Down, would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I did not believe that it would end. No, everything came second to the band. So you're not even.
Yes, girl. Our brows are a-okay. Look, guys, I have a full cup of brushes, and I've only managed to use 2. Guys, have you listened to the Pretty Basic podcast? It's a-okay, and it's hashtag so relatable. So I'm going to be putting on the Shimmering Topaz Cream Shadow by the brand Ulta Beauty. Never clean my brushes, not good. It's the Wet n Wild, really like, it's just this.
I'm in my 14 carats. I'm 14 karat. Doing it up like my dress. And you say I got a touch, so good, make you never wanna leave.
Whoa, Zooey Mama. I'm not sure, since it's this color right here, I'm not sure if it's this color right here, which is the shade Empire, or if not, the shade Kingdom. I'm gonna use this shade. It's like a dark brown. This palette has no name, so yeah, don't ask me.
So don't. Gonna wear that dress you like, skin tight, do my hair up.
When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
She's pigmented.
When you were little girls, you dreamt of being in my world.
Woo, I'm loving this look, and it's only 2 colors. Boom, boom. Remember, you keep on hitting it until you see no more fallout, because you don't want like super pigmented, like, you know, like, and then you're like, oh my god, so much color, what do I do? The Sorcery Glitter Top Coat.
Respect that, bow down.
With this one right here, under my brow bone. It's in the shade Fairy Princess. Oh, it's so mean.
You wake up, housed up, round in it.
Oh, I didn't tell you guys what brush I used for this and what I'm gonna use for dish. This is the e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush. I think I'm gonna go with another glitter top coat. It's called Bronze Bombshell. So okay, so instead of dipping my brush like this, like on the flat side, I'm going to be like this because I'm gonna be using it for eyeliner. You guys are seeing what I'm saying? Boop.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies.
We are done with the eyeshadow completely. I'm going to go in with the classic Great Lash, lots of lashes.
Tell them say I look so good tonight.
I want fabulous, that is my simple request. All things fabulous.
We're gonna go in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss in the shade
Friends of Glamour contain Carmine.
Catch me in my Jimmy Choo flip-flops.
Let's see how this lip gloss looks mixed in with Sheer Opal Mineral Lip Gloss by Ulta Beauty. Like, let's mix it in because I want something to match with like my eye look too.
Where is my pink Prada tote?
Loving this. I'm going to be using my Becca Opal. Oh, this is like an opal-y look, we could say. Morphe M310. Just gotta tap it like once, cause girl, we love excess highlight.
Nothing to discuss.
powder because we do not want a cakey face. We do not want a cakey face. No, we want to seem the most natural we can. And I feel like camera is not making it seem natural.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't watch again. JK, hashtag watch this 1,000 times if you want until you become a pro just like me, because I went to makeup school. And yeah, JK, I didn't go to makeup school. I'm not certified. It's like, so yeah. So subscribe down below and hit that little huge thumbs up, or like just dislike the video. That way we could like make history on YouTube, like the most disliked video on YouTube. Hey, what is the most disliked video on YouTube? I'm gonna Google that and I'll rate it from over here. Peace, dude. God bless you too.